Good morning students. How are you? I hope you all are good. I am also good. So today the date is 16 December 2020 and today the day is Wednesday. What is day today? Wednesday. Now all of you say today is Wednesday. Very good. Repeat. Today is Wednesday. Very good. Now our subject is English. So in English in our previous class we have done letter J. J sounds J. Small cursive letter J we have already done in our previous class. Now today we will do cursive letter small k. Small k in cursive letter. K sounds K. K sounds K. K sounds K. K. Kite. K. Kite. K sounds K. K. Kite. So picture of a kite. I am going to paste it on this place. Okay. And K for. Tell me what is this? K for key. K for key. K for kite. K for key. Now in English you have 4 lines. So what you have to do? 1, 2, 3. On third line you have to put dot like this. Okay, and after that you will put your pencil on dot and then make a slanting line. You will go up to touch this pink line and then make a small curve, then standing line like this, and then you have to make a curve again like this. See carefully, and after that we'll do like this. K sounds K. K sounds K. Again we'll do like this. Go it like this. Then make a curve and then do like this. K sounds K. Now again see, you will make a curve and then turn it and then standing line and then make a curve and then like this. K sounds K. K sounds K. K. Kite. K. Key. K. Key. Now I will tell you how you will write small letter in cursive K in your English notebook. Let's start. So students, this is your English notebook. So first you have to write down the date K. K sounds K. K. Key. Here I have drawn a picture of key. You can draw a picture of a kite, key. Now look here, 1, 2, 3 and 4. On third line you have to put your pencil. Now look carefully. Then you will do like this and then make a curve like this and this. K sounds K. K sounds K. So in this way you will write in your English notebook. One thing I want to tell you, this letter is not easy to write, so you need to practice. You can take help of your parents while doing this. K sounds K. So you have to write on this page and after that come to this side and then write again on this page also. So complete both the pages, do practice, click the photograph and then send it to me. And whatever the picture you will draw in your English notebook, you have to do color in it also. Okay? Make your notebook beautiful. Always do neat and clean and beautiful work. Okay? Complete your work and then send it to me. Fine? And I want to tell you one page of your English book also that you have to complete. So this page number is 34 that you have to do. So K. Finger trace the letter K and color it. This letter K is not in cursive letter. This is small K letter. Okay. K for kite. K for kitten. K for king. First you have to trace your finger on it and then you have to do color in it. So in this way you will complete this work. And next is circle the object beginning with the sound of letter K, that is K. Okay, and help the kangaroo to jump around. This is kangaroo. So first you have to draw like this. The kangaroo, what he will do? Jump. This, and K for kite, and then again the kangaroo will jump like this. K for kitten, and then jump like this, and then key, towards the key the kangaroo will jump. Okay, so in this way you have to complete this page. K for cattle also. K for cattle, K for kite, K for kitten, K for key. So you have to complete this page. Fine, complete this work and then send it to me. Goodbye, take care of yourself.